Texas on the Lexus. Everything bigger in Texas.
Face to face with it, can't be beefing through no FaceTime. Where the fuck your waistline?
I'm so indecisive, you can't cuff me, but I'm wifey. I just want a nigga who gon' slurp me like a icy.
Babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making these split hem pants that I've been seeing everywhere, that I've been dying to have. So pretty much I started off with I already had some leggings in a leather pattern, and all we're going to be doing is just literally adding the split at the bottom. Now I bought some extra fabric from Hobby Lobby. This isn't the exact same leather material, but you really can't really tell once the whole, finished product was done. So I'm pretty much cutting out rectangles with a slight flare at the end. You really don't have to put a flare. It's really not even needed, to be honest. But yeah, so I'm just cutting out some rectangles with this fabric. And if you want to know how I made or how to make some pants from scratch with just fabric only, no leggings or anything like that, be sure to look out for my other video that I have already done a few months ago. I'll link that down in the description box below. Those are my stack pants DIY that I've done already. So I'm pretty much just eyeballing to see like how long I want it. As you can tell, I never use measurements. If you are new to my channel, I don't use measurements at all. I just kind of wing it. So I'm just eyeballing everything. And like I said, we're making 2 things of rectangles, front and back for each. So now we're going to go ahead and hem the sides. You want to make sure that the fabric is inside out, and it should look like this. Well, one side should look like that. The other side, we're going to hem halfway because you want that split to be at the bottom. So I'm going to hem right there and stop about halfway. And yeah. By the way, I know you can honestly just take some leggings and cut it on the side if they're too long, but I wanted these to look more like professional looking just because it's leather and it's, I just wanted to look, pretty much well put together, not just something I threw together, if that makes sense. Right here, hopefully you guys can see that. I don't think it's focusing. Yeah, so we're sewing this part. This is the split. So as you can see, we did sew this part already. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. So we did sew this part already. Please excuse my nails, Jesus. We sewed this, hem this side. We did it halfway, so you can see I'm hemming the rest of the bottom of it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so this is what it looks like again. I sewed both of the end pieces. It's not the neatest, but it's my first time doing this, so I'm just gonna flip it inside out. So here I pinned where I'm going to be hemming the bottom of the pants. Okay, so the split is facing upward and it's inside out. So just like this, I'm going to take the pant leg. This is the bottom of the pant leg. Make sure this is the front side, not the back side. So this is the front side of the leggings. This is the back of the leggings. It's facing the correct way, and this is the only thing that needs to be inside out. So I'm going to put my hand, grab it, and just actually twist it. So, because I want my splits on the outside of my leg, not the inside. So I'm splitting it. Make sure this seam allowance is equal to this seam allowance. So I'm putting it just like this, and just like we did the other one, we're gonna sew across here, but make sure you're not sewing them together. You're only sewing around. So you're sewing around here all the way, so it's gonna be a circle, just like we did the other one. So I'm pretty much making them equal, and you can look to see how far along they need to be. So I'm going to do it like right here. So I know there's probably an easier way for you to sew, you know, attach the piece that we just made and the leggings together, but this is the same steps that I did in my other pants video. It was easier to do with those because the fabric was more stretchy. This fabric was a little stretchy, but it just wasn't super stretchy. That's why I'm doing like sewing it. That's why it looks like I'm sewing it in the inside, but either way it's going to turn out the exact same. Like it doesn't matter, as long as you make sure your leggings is the proper way out and the split hem that we're doing is inside out. As long as you're doing those two, it really doesn't matter how you sew it on there. Just do not sew the pants together closed. That's the only thing. So hopefully this makes sense, and hopefully you guys can really just see what I'm doing, because it's really kind of hard for me to explain. So okay, so just like we did the other one, did all the way around. You can cut this extra piece off. Normally you'll cut the entire piece off, the leggings, like how you cut this off, but since I might reuse these leggings, who knows, I might keep them like this, I don't know, but that's why I just didn't cut the leggings off. So when you flip it back, you see how the hems line up? That is what I was talking about. You want the seams to line up pretty much. So this is what it should look like. The seams should line up, and then you have your splits and you are all done. So now we just gotta chop. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the final look of the pants. If you do like them, make sure you comment down below if you're going to try it out as well, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hey, oh yeah, mellow. Trap house mob.